Hi everyone, welcome back to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily. Last time, we made a green dragonfly. Today, we're creating a pink version with a few improvements to make assembling the wings easier. I hope you're as excited as I am to bring this whimsical dragonfly to life. Before we start, here's a list of everything you'll need. Feel free to pause the video to check the full list. And if you want to make one exactly like mine, the full DIY kit is available in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Make the tail. Cut a 30 centimeter, 12-inch piece of black wire and fold it in half. At the folded center, use round nose pliers to form a small loop. This will secure the tail and prevent beads from slipping off. Now, start stringing the beads in this exact order, from tail to body. Deep red bicone, 4 millimeters. Purple cone bead, 3 by 8 millimeters. Yellow metal flower spacer, opaque purple bead, 6 millimeters. Yellow metal flower spacer. Dark purple bead, 6 millimeters. Light purple bead, 6 millimeters. Purple cone bead, 4 millimeters. Pink cone bead, 4 millimeters. Purple cone bead, 4 millimeters. Pink cone bead, 4 millimeters. Purple cone bead, 4 millimeters. Light yellow bead, 6 millimeters. Turmeric yellow bead, 6 millimeters. Light green bead, 6 millimeters. Yellow metal flower spacer. Grass green bead, 6 millimeters. Yellow metal flower spacer. Dark green bead, 6 millimeters. After finishing, the tail should measure around 8 centimeters, 3 inches. Gently bend the two wire ends together to stop the beads from sliding while you move to the next part. A couple of quick tips. Keep both wire ends pulled evenly so the beads sit straight. Check the direction of your cone beads before tightening. Don't press the beads on too tightly, leave a tiny bit of flexibility. If the beads are spinning, pinch the wire just below them to hold them steady. That's it for the tail. Great job so far. Step 2, attaching the wings and forming the body. Cut a 25 to 30 centimeter, 10 to 12 inch piece of wire and fold it in half. For the left wings, slide the first resin wing onto the wire and bring it to the center. Thread the wire back through the hole twice to secure it, tighten gently, and don't pull too hard so the wing stays safe. Add the second wing next to the first, making sure it points the same direction. Again, loop the wire back through the hole twice to lock it in place. Next, take your large oval body bead and thread both wire ends through it horizontally so that it sits centered between the wings. Straighten the wire before threading for an easier time. Now, attach the right wings just like before. Hold each one securely, thread the wire through its hole twice, and make sure both wings are facing the correct way and lined up. Here are a few things to remember. Double check each wing's orientation before you tighten. Resin can scratch if you need to undo. Always pull the wire slowly and gently to avoid cracking the wings. Hold each wing between your fingers when threading to stop it from shifting. Thread the wire at least twice for a secure hold. After wrapping, give the piece a gentle shake. Secure wings shouldn't rotate. For extra strength, you can dab a bit of clear glue at the joint. If your wire twists unevenly, carefully straighten it with your pliers before doing the body twist. Once all 4 wings are in place, use the remaining wire to wrap 2 figure-8 loops around the joint, where the wings meet the body bead. Pull gently but firmly to keep everything snug and stable. Finish by twisting the 2 wire ends together to form a strong body section, then trim off any extra wire. You're doing awesome. Your dragonfly is really taking shape. Step 3. Attaching the tail, making the head and eyes. Take the tail from step 1 and thread its remaining wire up through the oval body bead, going from the bottom to the top. Now add 1 dark green 6mm crystal bead for the head. Trim the excess wire. Then use your round nose pliers to curl both ends outward. These will become your dragonfly's 2 spiral-shaped eyes. Some helpful reminders. For more expressive eyes, you can add 2 tiny black round beads before curling the wire. If the wire feels too stiff, rub it between your fingers to warm it up, which makes shaping easier. Always check your work from the front. Adjust the eyes gently so they look balanced. If the head bead seems loose, twist the wire under it once before curling the eyes. Nicely done. The face brings your dragonfly to life. Step 4. Making the legs. Cut a 30cm 12-inch wire and divide it into 3 equal pieces, about 10 centimeters, 4-inch each. Twist all 3 wires lightly together in the center, about 1 to 1.5 centimeters, to create a solid base for the legs. Sandwich this twisted bundle right between the body and tail, then twist the wires once or twice to lock in place. Now, decorate each leg in this order. 1 purple bicone bead, 4mm. 1 green tube bead. 1 black flat bead. 1 green tube bead. 1 black flat bead. Finally, curl the tip of each leg into a neat loop or tiny hook so the beads won't slide off. Repeat all those steps for the next 5 legs. A few things to keep in mind. If your wire feels floppy, double twist before adding beads for stiffer legs. Shape the legs after beading, gently curve them outward so your dragonfly stands naturally. Try to keep all your leg loops the same size for a tidy, balanced look. If beads keep sliding, add a tiny kink at the end of the wire before curling your final loop. Congratulations! Your pink crystal dragonfly is now complete. With its sparkling wings, graceful tail, and delicate beaded legs, this dragonfly makes a magical decoration, perfect for windows, sun catchers, gifts, or any creative display. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, or subscribe for more sun catcher ideas from Crystal Flair. And if there's something you'd love to see next, let me know in the comments. Thanks for joining me, and happy crafting!